May bata na nakalay-kalay, oh. Anak! Lay, move ni mama, la. You okay? Hold on, ha? Hold on. Back sa ating channel. So, tonight, nandito tayo ngayon sa Woolworths kasi nag-grocery shopping tayo. And gabi na kami nakapunta dito, guys, kasi alam nyo na we're working during the day. So, yeah. Ayan si Paris, si Daddy. What's that, honey? Ito na yung mga napamili namin. Ayan. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Honey, go! Shh. May bata na nakalay-kalay, oh. Anak! Lay, move ni mama, la. You okay? Hold on, ha? Hold on. Hold on, Paris. Good job. Yan si Daddy, guys. Bibili lang yan siya ng meat. Uy, this way! This way! Shh. Uy! What's that? What's that? Lanak, that's your last name, nako? Uy, we don't need that. We don't need that one, honey. Nak, what's your last name ba yan, nak? Mackenzie. Go, sige, hold. Okay, push ni mama. What's that?
Yeah, let's cut the rest of it.
No, chocolate. Hala. What's that, na? What's that? Chocolates! 33% off. $9. Mahal gyapon eh. Shh. Di ka kagkaon sa utan, ha? Kaon sa utan una. Yes. Wala, kinsay nag-ingon nga makakuha ka na. Hala. Ask Daddy first, oy. Ask Daddy first. Say, Daddy, can I buy this? Say, Daddy, can I buy this?
Wow, what have you got?
Lalipay kasi ah. Honey.
Come on, my princess.
Okay, put it here na. Nak. Pambok yung kaanin na. Guys, I remember nung nag-vlog ako dito last time, guys. Sabi ni Kuya, hindi daw pwede mag-vlog. Bahala sila sa buhay nila, eh. So, guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang ating first vlog today, ha. Kasi, hindi ako napag-ready. Kasi nung pumunta kami dito, hindi ko alam na mag-vlog ako. And then, when we got here, napag-isipan ko mag-vlog na lang ako. Kasi, sayang din naman yung trip namin kung hindi ko i-document, diba? Ito kasi favorite to Paris sa umaga. Ito. And then, this one was actually very yummy. May full pancake shake. Naririnig ko na si Paris. What did you do? Hala, inopen na niya.
Yeah.
Nak, you haven't paid for that one yet, Nak. They'll call the police. They will call the police. Sure, Mama B? Sure, Mama? Hi guys! So kakauwi lang namin and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga napamili namin, guys. Yung nabayaran pala namin was $158.91 and yan lahat yung binili namin. Yan. And what is that in pesos? I think like it's only 32 pesos for $1 ngayon. So it will just be over 5,000 pesos. So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mabibili ng 5,000 pesos mo dito sa Australia. So, start tayo sa first bag natin, guys. I'll just take them all out. Tapos si Daddy na yung maglalagay plaster niya sa fridge or sa pantry. But we've got some pork, loin chops. Dalawa yung kinuha ni Mike. Magkano ba to yun sila? So, $6.63 para dito. Tapos $6.83 para dito. And next is diced beef. And this one was for $10. Ayan. So, ano to siya guys? 320 pesos tong ano na to, beef. And then, next one here is breast fillet. Chicken pala to guys. Hello. Daming binili ni Mike. More than, ano, 2 kilo. So, this one, chicken, is $21 ito. And then, bumili rin kami ng chips. Yung price pala para kay Paris. Gusto ko tong string na to kasi crispy siya kumpara yung sa, ano, yung wedge bitaw, yung makapal. So, yeah. And then, I bought a full cream milk. Ito. Kasi tinatry kong ipainom si Paris ng milk, guys. Kasi didi lang siya ng didi. Hindi siya kumakain. And I'll see if magustuhan niya yung milk. And this one is drumsticks. And cheap lang to siya. $2.12 lang to siya. Ayan. And then, meron tayong salmon. $8.26. Ayan. Now, down to the second plastic bag. Alam nyo guys, buang talaga kami guys. Pumunta kami doon and hindi talaga namin inisip na bibili kami ng maraming mga pagkain. And hindi na naman kami nagdala ng mga plastic bags. So it means binili na naman namin itong mga plastic bags. Ang dami na talagang plastic bags sa bahay. So for the second bag, we've got pancakes for Paris kasi she likes this one in the morning. I got parang ano, ang tawag dito, yung pasta ba? Ayan, pero yung spiral lang siya, hindi yung straight na parang spaghetti. Ayan. And then, I bought a couple of food for Paris. Ayan siya. And some water crackers, dalawa. And I got shapes and in pizza flavor. And meron tayong almond milk. Ito para kay Mike. Kasi hindi yan siya nagpo-full cream milk. Ako guys, kahit ano, okay na ako. Wala akong problema sa mga milk na ganyan. We've got some olives. Ayan. We've got some Italian peeled tomatoes. Alam nyo guys, gagawa tayo ng video about sa ano guys. Kakausapin ko si Mike kung okay sa kanya. Gagawa tayo ng videos ng ano, ang tawag dito yung the way you pronounce the words. Kasi different kasi yung pag-pronounce ng mga Australian kumpara sa mga American guys. So katulad dito, normally sa American English, it's tomato. Here it's tomato. So, yeah. It sounds really different, right? And ting-tining, coffee mate. This is my mate. Favorite ko yan, guys. Meron pa ako isa dito, hindi pa naubos. But, ginagamit ko siya every morning talaga, guys. Kaya, paubos na rin siya. Next one is this minced garlic and lemon juice. And meron pa palang isang pancake. And then, bumili na rin ako ng isang wipes para kay Paris. Down to the third plastic bag. Lapit na tayo maubos, guys. Last na pala itong plastic bag na to. So, we have icy pole. Nung nakita to ni Paris sa shop, guys, naku, yung mata niya nag-heart-heart. And we've got detergent powder. Ayan, kailangan ni Mami yan kasi gamit sa panglalaba. And meron tayong Coke. Ayan, maliit lang. Para kung mag-gain tayo ng weight konti. Meron tayong strawberry. Ayan. Spinach. Grapes. And this time, guys, yung binili ko na grapes is yung maliliit. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Kasi last time, binili ni Mike is yung malalaki na purple talaga yung kulay. Ayaw kainin ni Paris, guys. Kasi iniisip ni Paris, hindi grapes kasi ang laki-laki. Next one is banana. And we have corn. And meron din tayong pak choy. So, pak choy yung tawag nila guys dito sa ating pichay. Ayan, it says baby pak choy. But, binili ko to kasi magluluto ako ng tinola. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Meron tayong continental cucumber. Ayan. So, hindi talaga yung cucumber na gusto ko, guys. Iba yung lasa niya. And meron tayong onions. Ayan. Red onions. And then, the last one in the bag is rump steak. Ayan. Beef. And this was, how much? $13.59. Ayan. Meron pa palang last one, guys. Ayan, itong napi ni Paris. Size 4 si Paris, guys. And this is the cheapest one sa Safeway. Kasi yung mga Huggies, yung mga ganun, they're very expensive, guys. And this one, 50 nappies and $10. $10 lang siya. Kaya, yan yung binili ko. Yun na yung mga napamili namin, guys. So, you've got an idea now saan naabot yung 5,000 pesos nyo dito sa Australia. Medyo madami-dami din naman siya, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. Uy! Hello, honey!
We're gonna lock that.
Ayan. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So guys, magsa-shoutout pala tayo sa mga bagong nag-comment sa ating videos. Okay, first one. Shout out to John and Ginalyn Papa. Hi! Siya talaga yung nag-pop up dito sa yung last na nag-comment sa video natin. Hi, Day! Pag human ang social distancing, yes, magmukbang na kita. Padayon na gid nato natong plano. And then, shout out to kay Acosta. Hi, sis! Cindy Tan. Ayan, sabi niya, pa-shoutout naman ate. Ayan, shoutout. Sabi na, be? Cindy Tan.
Say hi.
Hi! Shoutout. Can you say this? Shoutout, Cindy Tan.
Shout out Cindy Tan.
Ayan. Cindy Tan. Lisa May Pairat. Shoutout. Pretty Gladys. Janet Gordon. Claudine G. Manuel Sambaan, yung wife pala niya si Princess Silanga, ginamit daw niya yung account ng ano niya, ng husband niya. Little Miss Isay, Alan Rose, Novem Limukon, shout out. Filipino-American Family Vlog, Walin Pahaya, Kaite, salamat sa pananaw, Luhan Pasadas, Rica Montesilio, Argel Tapal, ang mga silingan, yung mga gwapa, Madel Kilaton, Cherry Payo Kangas, and Amelita Zayas, Corda Pia, Finland, and our friend Lola's family and Team Pagkiasan. Thank you very much, guys, for watching our videos. And that's about it for today's video, guys. So we'll end here now. I hope that you enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this Mackenzie family. Thumbs up, Nakbi! Thumbs up! Nagmanya naman yung bata nga gusto, guys. Hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
be careful. Bye! Say bye-bye na.
Show your eyes.
Bye-bye. Bye!
Bye.
Yung bata nga naman.